Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone on Android. So let's dive in. Go to your settings. Then search time for easy access. And this is it. Select time zone. Click on select time zone. And this is it. So if you want to select your time, you want to set your time zone, you have to on this site time zone automatically, you have to off it. And you'll be able to select your time zone. So select time zone, which one do you want to use, which country do you want to use the time zone. Just browse in and see, and you can choose any country to change the time zone. So guys, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share and comment.